In this video, you will learn how to add an S3 compatible backup provider and create manual backups in just a few steps. Remember, just for this tutorial, we're demonstrating with an S3 completable backup provider. However, you can select any supported backup provider that best suits your needs. After login, first navigate to Team and then select Backup Providers. Now click on the Add New Providers button from here. You can find the backup provider list. Select Custom and then follow the process. Here, you need to add some required information: your name, region, point URL, access key ID, and secret access key. Remember, you can only use an S3 compatible backup provider for custom backup. In other cases, you can choose any other supported backup provider based on your needs. Or that, we are using IDrive E2 credentials for this tutorial since it's an S3 completable backup provider. When you're all set, just click the Add Provider button to complete the process. Let's back it up. Creating a manual backup of your website is super simple. Just follow these quick steps. Navigate to your site and select the backup option. Click on Backup Settings and customize your backup plan. Choose your backup provider, select your bucket, set the retention period, and fill in any other details to match your needs. Once everything looks good, hit Save Backup option and your settings are locked in. Now for the magic, click on Create Manual Backup, and in just moments your site is safely backed up. That's it, you're done! Your website is now protected and ready to roll. Regular backups ensure peace of mind and quick recovery when needed. Thanks for following along. Happy managing! If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.